What is up? What is up? It is Nicole Cheney coming live at you from Ontario, Canada. Okay, so it's Evelyn's birthday on Saturday. She's turning 4, so we're gonna make a chocolate cake, and we're just gonna make the cake today. Tomorrow I'm gonna be making the icing, and if I got time, I'm gonna be doing a video for you guys to show you guys how to do it. If not, I'm just gonna share the recipe on this page. Okay, so you guys get the icing for the chocolate cake. It's gonna be a chocolate cake with chocolate icing. It's gonna be amazing, okay? So when you pop on this live, you can drop me a 1. If you're watching a replay, you can drop me a 5. And if you're new to my crazy little show, you can put new in the comments, okay? And also tell me where you're coming in from, especially if you're new and I haven't met you yet. I'm super excited to meet you guys. And if you're new and you're not following this page yet, what you can actually do is hit my face. There's going to be 3 little dots that come up, and you're going to click on it, go follow, see first, and you'll never miss one of my cooking videos. I do family-friendly meals because our entire family is keto. My 4-year-old is keto. My 2-year-old's keto. I'm keto. My husband's keto. So that's all we do is cook keto food for the entire family, and I show you guys how you can do that too. And especially if you have picky kids, okay? Because my oldest has autism, and she goes through phases where she only eats one kind of food every week. So I show you and give you tips with that too. And if you're just normal keto, I help you out there too, okay? Because that's me. I'm normal keto. Okay, so what we did before this is I basically just measured everything out. Okay, I have my almond flour in here for the cake already. And of course, throughout this entire video, if you want the recipe, put recipe in the comments, okay? And I'll get you the written out recipe in case you get lost during this, because I do tend to talk a little fast, okay? So just put recipe in the comments if you want the recipe, okay? So that's 2 cups of almond flour in there, okay? And then we have, I'll show you the almond flour I'm using, actually. So this is the almond flour, okay? I found it at Costco. This is like the most cost-effective almond flour that I have found at Costco. This is the swerve that we're going to be using. It's a whole cup. I'm going to stick that in there. Okay. And this is the swerve. Okay. Mine chocolate cake. We're making a chocolate cake. There's chocolate everywhere. So this is a swerve that I use. I found this at Loblaws in the organic section. You can also find it on Amazon too. That almond flour you can also find on Amazon. But I do find that the swerve at Loblaws is more like it's cheaper than them on Amazon, and same with that flour. Okay, and now we're also gonna put in the baking powder for this. This is 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay, and then we're gonna mix it up real quick. Okay, so basically right now we're just gonna be mixing our dry ingredients together. Okay, and then we'll get our wet ingredients in with it. Okay, that's basically how you do baking. I don't know. I used to be a big baker before this, before keto. I still am like a huge baker. Like you can find keto baked goods on this page. Okay, I got a sweet tooth. But a lot of people thought, like, oh, you're keto? Well, what are you going to do now? Well, I show them how. Because I have my entire family, extended family, coming for her birthday party. And I only cook keto. If you're in my house, you only get keto food. And they're amazed with, like, what I cook for them. They're like, well, this is like normal food. And it tastes even better than the food I eat. Yeah, okay? Keto's good. Keto's good. So this is a 1/2 cup of softened butter. Okay, this is what we're going to add in here. And if you're, okay, I'm in Ontario, so all our cows are grass-fed. If you didn't know that and you're in Ontario, they all are, okay? They're all out in the fields, they're all grass-fed. It's very rare to find a farm that actually has grains in it. It's not grass-fed, just FYI. But I know if you're in the States, you do have to specifically look for grass-fed butter for keto. So, just so you're aware. Grass-fed butter. But for us, we don't need to do that. I guess you could call us lucky. I had a paper towel here. I don't have a paper towel here anymore. This makes a lot of cake batter too, okay? So just be prepared for that. Now we're going to get our milk, okay? You can use almond milk, coconut milk, whatever milk you want to. Just make sure it's unsweetened. Whatever keto-friendly milk. No whole milk, guys. I am keto. All right? And we're going to just... I'm going to do it like this. We're going to get this added here. Boom! Okay? And then we're going to get this turned on. And as it's slowly spinning this all together, I'm going to add the vanilla. Okay? And that's 1 teaspoon of vanilla for flavoring. And then I'm also going to get the eggs, okay? So you need 2 eggs. Eggs. Alright? And now this is all mixing, right? And as this is mixing, I'm going to show you what it looks like before I add like the cocoa powder and everything. So you can look at the consistency. You can check it out before I add the cocoa powder, and I'll show you what it looks like with the cocoa powder in it afterwards. Oh, the birthday girl herself is coming in to say hi. I don't know if they can see you over there. Look, put your head right here. Say hi! You want to come here? You can say hi over here. I'm not going to be able to see you over the mixer. Say hi! This is my youngest. The one in the cat shirt that was in my arm, that's Evelyn, the other one's Evelyn. Okay, now we're just going to shut this off for a little bit here. And I'm going to show you the consistency. Don't touch the eggs, honey. Woo. Okay, so that's what it looks like in here. I'm trying to get you a good angle. There you go. There you go. Good consistency. Okay, now we're going to add the cocoa powder, okay? It's 1/2 cup of cocoa powder.
Mommy, I want to have 2.
Are you excited for some chocolate cake? You're excited for chocolate cake! Chocolate cake! Well, who wouldn't be, right? Right? Now we're just getting this all mixed together. You can smell the chocolate! The chocolate! Yeah. Kids are awesome, right? Right? So now we're just going to lift this up. What I'm going to do is actually just kind of like scrape the powder. I got some powder stuck on the edge here. And I'll let it go for a little bit. Like that. Hey! And then I'll show you what it looks like. There we go. There we go. It's all mixed in. Okay, so right now, currently, my oven is being preheated.
Hey!
Getting preheated at 350, okay? No, right now, honey. And I'm going to show you what this looks like, okay? The consistency of it, what it looks like. It looks like chocolatey goodness is what it looks like. There you go. Ooh. And then what you're going to do, okay, is you're actually going to fill up a 6-inch pan like this. Like halfway, and you're going to get 3 of them, okay? With this batter, and we're going to like stack it up. She's getting a unicorn cake, and she wants us to incorporate mermaids somehow out of it. I don't know. I'm going to take pictures of it. Adeline's also having it. We're celebrating both their birthdays on Sunday. Adeline turned 2 in January, but the weather was bad, so we waited for the family party. And she's going to have a panda bear cake, okay? Both cakes and icing are all going to be keto friendly, okay? It's okay. What isn't going to be keto friendly is going to be the decorations that you can easily just take off. Because I haven't figured out a way to make fondant that's keto friendly yet. So if you have found a way to do that, please share it with me. But we're gonna get like sculpting tonight and sculpt out panda bears and unicorns and mermaid stuff and like scales and bamboo sticks. And that's all gonna be incorporated. And then we're gonna have for Adeline, it's gonna be like the panda bears are kind of like it's gonna be like Kit Kat all around, and there's gonna be bamboo on top with 2 panda bears. That's us. We're not gonna eat the Kit Kat. We might get the girls Kit Kat because it's their birthday. Come on. But everyone else that's coming is not keto, so and we can have the little figurines. We'll have fun with it. We're gonna paint, like hand paint them all. We're gonna see how this turns out. Okay, I'm pretty creative when it comes to baking, and so is my husband. So we're gonna see and play around with it and see what we can do. So stay tuned. Definitely look in the stories of this page all the time because I do recipes throughout the day. If I'm like making a snack real quick and whatnot, I'll put it in my stories instead of on the page. Okay, so always keep checking on the stories too, and that's probably where you're gonna find the pictures of the cake. It's gonna be in the stories of this page because I'm like super excited. I'll probably post it on my wall on my personal profile. So if you're following my personal profile, you'll see it. But probably won't post it on the wall here. Nah. But this is the cake, and I'm gonna shove it in the oven now. Oh, for 25 minutes. Gotta tell you how long. 25 minutes, okay? And then we're gonna have 3 different layers. It's gonna be awesome, okay? So, tune in for tomorrow. I'm either gonna post the recipe for the icing, or I'm gonna show you guys how to make the icing. It's gonna be one or the other. We're gonna see how much time we got because Evelyn's got her autistic class and all that tomorrow. So we're gonna see. All right, but stay tuned because if you're keto and you're like, oh, I can't have birthday cake, you're wrong. You can have birthday cake, and I'm sure you have. But I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Thank you all for tuning in, those who have tuned in, and I will see you guys